brownies. This is my favorite recipe actually. I like to use brown sugar and eggs. Over here I like to use walnuts and pistachio and chocolate chips. And here I have the butter and chocolate. I will melt it in microwave. This is the dry ingredient. It's all flour, all-purpose flour. So let's go ahead and make this brownies. Okay, after 15 minutes whisking the eggs and the brown sugar, I will add flour. Dirty or doing mixing. Now I will add my nuts with chocolate chips. Keep mixing nicely and make sure you sweep all the side and bottom. Now we're gonna bake it at 180 about 30 or 35 minutes. 30 minutes is perfect. Okay, after I put in the fridge, like overnight, this way is easy for me to cut it. This is my brownies, it's ready. So now we're gonna cut the brownies, then I will show you the decoration part. Here we're gonna put the filling of the ganache. After that, I will put it in the freezer. Then I will dip it in chunks.